Okay guys, today we're going to learn how to make a paper airplane that's advanced. Let's get started. First you'll need a white sheet of paper. Then you'll take this corner. First you'll fold it like this actually, if you want it to be perfect. Then you would take this corner and line it up with that line you made. And then you take this corner, line it up like that. And then you would take this part, this tip, and fold it like that. And then do the same with the other side. And then you take it again and fold it like that. And do the same for the other side. And then you got a regular airplane. Like this. But you're gonna flip it upside down like this. And then you'll fold it like that. And then up like that. And then do it like this. So it'll be like that. And then you take these folded tips and make them go upwards like that. And then if you want to make sure it doesn't break apart like that, you could tape it. And then you could test out your new airplane. Bye guys, see you next time.